Hi, welcome to this Die Designer video tutorial. This should be a real quick one. We are going to look at cross-cut loops, cross-cut slots, and sharp corner relief. Going to the Design Aids menu, scroll down to cross-cut loops and corner relief, or LP from the command line. As you see, you start the command, it wants you to pick two line segments, prompting you for the first one. But there is the settings option down here. So if you hit S for settings, you can see we have our sharp corner relief. We have our cross-cut loop. And we have our cross-cut slots. And then the data for that, the loop radius, the loop depth, the blend radius, and if we're using the slot option, the slot length. Also, help file gives you a little description, some special notes, some notes, couple limitations, but yeah, nothing, pretty good stuff. So yeah, what I'm going to do first before I even start this is give you a short, well, let's say for instance right now we have over here we have a form insert, a form punch in particular. Small form punch, yes, we could have radii corner or chamfered corner, but let's just say it's sharp corner. It's real small. It's a lot of work if to put chamfers on everything. But let's put some corner relief. Now this would be in the stripper. So let's say if this is punch size and it's a polyline, we're going to you see we got our punch and stripper clearance 2/10 per side. So OS from the command line, and we are going to offset this by that 2/10. So this would be something you would be doing at the detail level. And we will put in that corner relief. So once again, we'll hit the settings. We got a 10 thousandths loop radius. 2 thou depth, which is the depth of the corner to the to that point on the loop radius. Our blend radii here and here, and our slot length doesn't come into play for this. So yeah, boom, boom, pops it in. Yeah, real quick, real clean. Wire burn undercut loops, if you draw them manually, they can be kind of a hassle, just tedious and time consuming. So let's look at, now here we got two punches. Let's say their distance is a 1/2 inch apart. We'll say we got a 1/2 inch progression. So we're going to put, we are going to put, the same loop. No, we're not. We are going to go to settings and we are going to do a cross-cut loop. And then I'll do the cross-cut slot loop too, but we'll do the cross-cut loop. Okay, so we're feeding, let's say this is a strip layout. These are two punches in the strip layout. We're feeding from left to right. So we would put the loop in the left side. Copy it over, that 0.5 inch multiple. Now it's on the strip layer. Now as you can see, we're line for line. So now we would adjust this punch. And I'm going to just get a quick dimension here, 18 thousandths. We'll go 0.020, thaw all, and now let's put our corner radiuses in there. 0.01. Yeah, now we have a little nicer condition for our crosscut. Same thing if let me copy this up, and let's put the loop, crosscut slot in. settings, crosscut slot. We'll leave the slot length at 50. We'll just stay with these parameters. Pick the first line, second line, so you know which side the slot's going to go on. So tangent, slot, copy it over that 0.5 inch multiple, change it to the strip layer. And I knew that slot was 050, so I'm going to go 030. Oop. Yeah, it was a little small. So yeah, now you got your, your punches adjusted for cutting. If this, like I said, if this was an opening for a punch or a form punch or whatever to go through with the sharp corner, you got your corner relief. So yeah, nice time-saving feature, and thanks again for watching.